Planning to grow your own? Have you ever wanted to grow your own produce at home, but don't know where to start? Well, this book is the perfect way to keep your home farm on track, plan its layout, log its progress. Filled with essential information to consider and useful tips for producing the right plants and quantities for your needs. The Tiny Farm Planner by Jill Ragan will help you keep your garden growing healthily. Chapters include trackers for chores, seed starting schedules, disease trackers, seasonal reviews, and expense logs. In between each season's log, the author has written friendly reminders about the best practice for gardening, as well as extensive information about how the garden is changing throughout the year, and what you may not have considered as you approach a new season. Its advice draws on personal experiences from the author, Jill Ragan, and there are relevant, inspirational quotes from famous individuals throughout.